Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. First thing that we need to do here is we need to open up any browser that we have right now and go to linkedin.com. Now on the LinkedIn, what we need to do is we need to click on the for business icon at the top right of your screen. So go ahead and click on it. Now it should pop up the for business panel here. So at the very bottom, you should see an option that says create a company page. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, it's going to ask you what type of page. So right now we have company, showcase page, and educational institution. So go ahead and choose the option that best describes your company. In this case, let's go ahead and click on company here. Now in the next page, you'll need to provide the following details. So that includes the name, LinkedIn company, or the unique LinkedIn address, the website, industry, organization size, organization type, the logo for it, and the tagline for it. Now in this case, once you provide all the information here, you can go ahead and just click on I verify that I am authorized representative of this organization and just click on create page to successfully create your page, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.